Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the exact source host IP and the port you need to share. This is critical because an incorrect address breaks the whole chain. Once verified, install a lightweight tool such as Socket or ensure SSH server is running. Make sure kernel IP forwarding is enabled and adjust firewall rules to allow the chosen port. While doing this, test connectivity to the destination, host with ping or telnet, so you know the path is functional before you proceed. Now you set up the actual tunnel. Decide whether local forwarding, remote forwarding, or a reverse tunnel suits your topology. Local forwards local port to remote, remote exposes remote port to local. For example, run socket TCP listen, 8080, fork TCP, dest IP, 80 or SSHR 8080, dest IP, 80 user at relay. Once you confirm the command works interactively, make it persistent. Create a systemd service, a cron at reboot entry. Finally, validate by connecting a client to the forwarded port and verify the service responds as expected. Make sure to secure the endpoint. Restrict source IP ranges in the firewall, apply rate limits, and wrap the connection with TLS or use SSH tunnels to prevent eavesdropping. If things fail, check listening sockets with netstat or SS, capture packets with TCP dump to see where traffic stops, and review firewall or system logs. This single troubleshooting step often reveals misrouted ports or blocked packets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.